In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started. Choose I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. If you want to use suggested wallpaper, hit finish right away, and to stick with your current one, click on this check mark here and then tap on finish. Now close an ad, and last but not least, click on set as default to tap on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!